Now, when you're uploading your vendor invoices, credit memos, RMAs, statements, make sure you're only uploading parts-related documents that fall in one of those four categories. Sometimes when you're uploading those, we do need some human help when reading through those documents. Maybe we miss a shop location, address, or we don't see a date that makes sense, like it's super old or in the future, or the total just doesn't add up to the line items on those documents. In any case, these documents will fall in document review. Super easy to go through them. You just click on this list and open up each one. I can take a look at this one, for example. Again, this is from Georgia Power. Probably not something we wanted to upload, just because, again, when you're uploading non-parts related documents, Wikidfile is not used to that or tuned for them, and we can get these confused with parts documents, and causing you more work and having you to review these. But in this case, you can see it flagged the date, and it's telling you instantly what's wrong in this edit window. Again, it's saying the invoice date. That's because this date is actually in the future. So today's the 9th. We read July 12th up here, so we're asking you to verify this because this cannot be possible. Once you verify it, you can now hit save, and this will reconcile and leave the list. Now, there could be other issues that are wrong with your documents. We can take a look at a few other examples I have brought up. This one looks like it's some kind of sublet work. We picked out the total for this, $1,160.43, right down here on the receipt, and we did a pretty good job. But when we're adding up these line items that we extracted on this receipt, this added up to $1,334, not $1,160. So it looks like we added up an extra charge because our math is not adding up. So in this case, hopefully your receipts don't look like these, but you would just compare this line item information and make sure it reflects what's on the receipt so the totals can match up. So I could either click on these to edit them, edit the cost, I could add line items, or I could even delete out line items. Regardless, once it matches, it'll now let you save. Two more examples. This one is another one we probably didn't want to upload, but it's just asking us for the vendor name on this document because we need that to match up. We don't see a vendor because there is no vendor name on here. But if we pretend like we know the vendor on this and this is something we wanted uploaded, we could just choose the vendor in our verified vendor list. It'll now let you save this document. Last example, this is asking you for the correct shop location because on documents we always look for the address on them so we know which location it goes to, which helps us with reconciling them. And in this case, the shop location wasn't on this invoice, so that's why our system didn't know it. But you should be able to know it, and you can choose the location from your shop location list, and now you are able to save. This will reconcile and clear that fix list, this review and fix list. It will now clear it.